So today I'm going to teach you the subject EVS. Okay. So in EVS, first of all, today I'm going to teach you about parts of plant. Okay, parts of a plant. So before that, go to the main contents. Let's go to the previous first chapter. We have learned about things around us, isn't it? Yeah. So things what we see around us. So there are different type of things we can see. Okay, that means living things and non-living things. So these two categories we have learned. Okay, so living things, plants, animals, human beings. Okay, so all these are non-living things like a table, chair, duster. Okay, all these are non-living things, and natural things and man-made things. All this we have done. And last in WhatsApp group I have given you homework also. So I think you are doing okay. And after the second chapter we have learned that animals and plant. So for that, so I'm going to give you homework. Okay, so animals and plants, and through that we have learned that category of plants. Okay, types of plants, everything. We have learned animals and how they breathe, why they need food. Okay, all this we have learned on that second chapters. So today is I'm going to teach you about parts of a plant. Okay, so parts of a plant. So before to know parts of a plant, first we have to know about plants, because plants plays very important role in our daily life. You know, because without plant we can't survive. Why? Do you know? Because plants like trees, everything, this release oxygen. Okay, so that we are surviving. We are surviving. We breathe. We take oxygen from there because plants gives us oxygen. Okay, so this plant is living things. Okay, okay. So which grows. So I have written here. So just listen. Okay. So plants are very important for us because they give us basic needs like food, medicines, wood, vegetables, grains, fruits, flower, etc. Okay, and they also release oxygen gas which we need for breathing. Yeah, understand? So it gives us so many things. Okay, so imagine if there's no plant, what will happen? Yeah, we couldn't survive. We can't survive. Okay, so that's why plant is very important for us. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, so because it gives us so many things. Already I have taught you know. So main is oxygen. Okay, and that is connecting to our life. Okay, so that means oxygen is very important for us because we take oxygen and we release carbon dioxide, which takes the plant. Okay, so like this, give and take. Okay, so these are about plants. And plants means we see, if you see, look around. Okay, so plants means not only small thing, small grass, not bushes, not tree. There are so many plants. There are different type of kinds of plants are there. Okay, so they are tall trees, shrubs, herbs, limes, and creepers. So these are 5 different types of plants. Okay, so number 1 is trees. So what are trees? Trees are very tall and strong plants. Okay, so trees very long, tall and strong plants. Okay, like people, mango tree. Okay, orange tree. Okay, all these are tall and strong plants. Okay, the uses of this from these plants. Okay, wood, we can make wood things. Okay, wood to make furnitures. Okay, plants gives us wood also, papers also, everything. Okay, so like this desks, bench. Okay, all this from this furniture. Okay, so this trees gives us so many things. Okay, that means from the big plants. Okay, and another second one is shrubs. So what is shrubs? Shrub is very short and bushy plants. Okay, short and very bushy plants. Like example is rose. Okay, like this rose, hibiscus. Okay, all this are example of shrubs. Okay, so uses of this roses from rose, the companies make perfume, okay, spray, okay, all this uses of shrub plants, okay, like from rose. Similarly, now another is herbs, okay. Herbs are very small and weak plant. It's not like rose, not like trees. Herbs are very small and weak plants. Okay, we can break, okay, like this, okay. So that means example of herbs are coriander, mint, okay. So and from this plant, okay, comes medicines, okay. So that means herbs. All these are comes in herbs, okay. After that, climbers. So what are climbers? Climbers are very weak stem, needs support to climb up. It has weak stem, okay. It needs support. It needs support to climb up, like what? Peas, okay, graven, etc. Okay. So they need support to climb up. Okay. Example, I have drawn here the grapevine. Okay, grapes. Okay, grape plants. So they need support. Okay. So with the help of that things, they climb up. Okay. So that means they are very weak. So they are vegetables and fruits. They give us vegetables and fruits. After that, creepers. Creepers means, okay, they creep on the ground. Okay, they creep on the ground. Okay, so they cannot climb up. Okay, they creep on the grounds. So example of creeps, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Okay, so from that plants we get vegetables. Okay, fruits, all this. Okay, so these are types of plants. Okay, so we have 5 different types of plants. So after that, now let's go to the parts of plant, because already there are parts of a plant. Okay, so now let's go here, parts of a plant. Okay, so a plants can be divided into 2 parts. Okay, plants can be divided into 2 parts. They are the parts above the ground. Okay, the parts of a plant which are above the ground. Okay, suppose this is ground. Okay, so I have drawn here, but here also I am drawing. So this is ground. So this is ground. The parts of plants that above the ground. So like this. Okay. Okay. So these parts. Okay. These parts are above the grounds. This part is called shoot. Okay. These parts are called shoots. So, and the parts of plant which is under the ground. Okay, under the ground, that means all these are the parts which are under the ground. These parts, okay, it's called root. Okay, this is shoot. Okay, so these are roots. So it holds. Okay, what is shoot? Okay, it holds the plant upright and straight. It bears other parts of the plants. Okay, so they are branches, birds, flowers, okay, fruits, stem, leaf, okay, all these are here. Suppose stem, okay, leaf, fruits, flowers, bird. Okay, so these are the parts of plants which above the ground in shoots. They are stem, leaf, fruits, flowers, birds. Okay, so and below is root. Okay. So what is stem? Stem is its whole plants. Okay. It bears other parts of the plants. This stem bears other parts of the plants. Okay. This stem bears other parts of plant like this leaf, fruits, flowers, all these are. Okay. This stem is holding this. Okay. So this is stem. Okay. So stem carries water from the roots and food from the leaves to different parts of plants. So stem. The main important role of stem is it carries water from the roots. Okay. It carries from the roots. Okay. And takes to the different parts of the plant. Leaves, fruits, everything. Okay. So that is the important role of this stem. And another is now roots. What is the function of roots? Okay, it fixes the plants firmly in the soil. Because of these roots, it fixes the plant. Okay, so plants cannot move and goes. So it fixes the plants firmly in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals. So this roots absorb water from the soil, minerals from the soil. Okay. And some roots like carrots, radish, turnips store food prepared by the plants. Okay, so there are some other roots also there which is prepared food for the plant. Okay, so after that some plants like potato, sugarcane stored food in the stem. Okay, so some other plants like potato, and they are under the ground, but they are not roots, but they are stem. Okay, so that's all. So these are parts of a plant. So today I am explaining you just only two parts of this parts of plants, that is stem and roots. After next class, I am going to teach you about what is leaf, function of leaf, okay, fruits, flowers, birds. Okay, so let's once more go to the lab. Okay, so today we have got parts of plants. Okay, so plants can be divided into two parts, that is shoot and roots. Shoot is above the ground and roots is under the ground. Are you getting the point? Okay, that's all to discuss for today.